Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the machine component. Start the part drawing. As we can see in this figure, we can draw the top view first. For that, we need to select the top plane. Go into sketch. We can take the center rectangle. We can draw the rectangle over here. We can edit the dimensions. Here it's 56. Press enter, and here it's 32. Then go to features tab, click on extrude boss base and give the value 8. Press OK. Then we need to come down to this surface, click on that surface, move into the sketch tab. We can draw another rectangle over here. Here the value is 8 and here it's 18. Select this point. We can copy this. Click on copy and click on this point. We can copy it here. Or we can draw another rectangle over here also. Then go to the features tab again. We can give the extrude boss base and the value is 12 units. We can rotate it and we can see it here. So that portion is also extruded. Click OK. Again, select this surface. Click on Sketch tab. Go to the center rectangle. Click on the center and draw the rectangle. And we need to give the dimension 16 and 12. Go for the smart dimension. 16, 12. Then go to the Features tab. Here, Extruded Cut. So the value is going through this. So we know it's only 8. We can give the value 8 or we can give through all. Then click OK. So we can see it here. Here we can see the different views. The front view, the top view, the side views. So these are the different views. is shown here. Now it's time to draft. So here click on make drawing from part assembly. For that we need to save machine component, machine part 1, save, select on A3, click OK, or we can browse the template, click OK. Here on sheet properties, we can make this into first angle and set the scale to 1:1 and click on apply changes. Now on the view palette, we can start with the front view over here. We can see the top view here, and here this is the side view, and this is the isometric view. Click on OK. Here we can't see the hidden edges. For that, we click on the drawing view, select here, then by clicking this portion, we can see the hidden edges. On the front view, again, we click on the hidden edges, then everything is the. So now we need to dimension the object. For that, we take the annotation. We can simply click the model items. So it will be the we can plot the dimensions. Here the smart dimension. So we need to dimension every value which is given in the question. So now hope every dimension is plotted here. Click on OK. Now we can type here the description. Click OK. So we can see the name and normal over here. Then come here to see the drawing template. Then we need to print We need to save and we need to print over here. We can see the preview, print preview. As you can see, the border is uh, gone. So we need to go for the page setup. Click on scale to fit and select this for A3 on landscape mode. Then click on preview. So now everything is visible over here. Then click on print. We can check the properties if needed. It's landscape. Check the page setup. Here it's A3, scale to fit, and landscape. And we already seen the preview. Click OK. Then it is changed to PDF. Then click on OK and save machine part 1. You can see the figure over here. Thank you.